Hello, everyone. Now, if you're watching this, that means you're having a little trouble with this homework problem here. So let's see if I can help. A social media app has 4 million users, and now after a new competitor launches their app, user base begins to decline at a rate of 2.5% per month. Now, if this trend continues, how many users will it have after 9 months? So how much users will this social media company app have after 9 months? And we're going to approximate to the nearest person. So first of all, obviously not a compound interest scenario. So we're going to use the exponential situation of a times 1 plus r to the power of t. So remember, compounding only works with money, first of all, and it has to say compounding. Nothing about this says compounding. So this is going to be this formula here. So all we have to do now is look at the value. So our A is going to be 4 million. Now, I'm assuming that the answer is already in millions, so we don't have to write 4 and then the 6 zeros. It's just going to be the value of 4. The value of R is decreasing, it's declining, so that's going to be a negative 2.5% out of 100, which is negative 0.025. And the time is going to be 9 months. Now, before I continue, let me make sure that the rate that it's decreasing, that the unit is in months, and it is, just like the time is in months, so I'm good. If it was in a different unit of measurement, I would have to change and not use 9 months. I would have to convert the 9 months into the appropriate time. Like if this was decreasing in hours, I would have to figure out how many hours there are in 9 months, and which is going to be a lot of hours. Okay, but since those measurements are, or I'm sorry, those units are the same, I don't have to do any conversion. All I have to do now is plug it into our formula and evaluate. So A equals 4 times 1 minus or plus negative 0.025 raised to the power of 9. So there's going to be 3 points. We'll just say 3.1 million people. So A is equal to 3. It says to approximate to the nearest person. There's no way we're going to approximate that to the nearest person. So we'll just say 3. So 3 million. I understand that well because we would have to get this answer and multiply it times 10 to the 6th power, which we're not going to do. So 3,184,942 people. We'll just say an even 3 million, okay? So just 3. Okay, so I appreciate you watching, and now tackle this problem, your problem, on your own, and let's see if you can get it.